Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I'm really excited to be shooting from our brand new landscape lighting training and learning center. We're going to be able to do a way better job of walking you through all our videos and showing you guys more tips and tricks of how to make your landscape lighting projects better. And on top of that, we're going to be kicking it off with a brand new series on YouTube where we're actually going to be walking through real life examples of clients of ours across North America that have sent in pictures, and we've shown them what are some of the best areas and the best kits and the best lights to use to light their landscapes most efficiently. So we're going to walk you through that whole new series, and on top of that, we're still really excited to be offering our new Try It Before You Buy It offer, where you can buy one of our RS FX Luminaire uplights and take it home at a discounted rate. Try it out, see what's going to look good, simply by taking a 9-volt battery and attaching the 2 wires to it. Walk around your property, go light some things up, see what's going to look good before you make any decisions and make that big purchase. Get your free consultation. We're going to walk you through, just like we have with all these clients across North America, the best way to light your property. And whether you buy the lights from us or not, it'll hopefully give you a better idea of how to make your outdoor living space that much better. So I hope you guys enjoy this new series. Go to our website, check out our new contact page, our resource center, get your free consultation, and try It Before You Buy It offer so you can feel what real quality feels like and looks like before you make any big purchases. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. We really appreciate all your support.
Hey Jay, thanks for watching the videos and thanks for the pictures. I'll walk you through kind of what I think you should do here. It's going to depend on exactly where you can put the lights, so you might need to just clarify some things. But what I would probably do to make it look good but keep it simple for you, depending on what's on this side in the ground over here on the other side of the garage, I would probably look at trying to just get a uplight shining up onto this part of the front of the garage, and then do the same thing over here that kind of gets this front part. So you might place it in here, just so you have balance on both sides. For highlighting the tree, just a single uplight in the front here will be plenty, and you'll get some nice reflection down to cover the ground. In here, what I would probably do, it's up to you to keep the balance. What I think I would probably like to see is actually if you had an uplight that was in here that kind of got up these side of the windows, and then one in the middle that gets this front section, and then the one kind of in here that would angle, it would angle a little bit more, that would catch most of this, but more importantly kind of this top half and get to the point here. And then you do the same thing on this side that would have it kind of angle again and get to that top part, and it's going to get mostly up here. You might not get light all the way here, but because you have these, I wouldn't worry about it too much. And then again, to keep it balanced, same thing, one just uplight up the middle here that gets this part, and it's going to get right to the top. And then same thing on the edge here, just so you have balance on both sides. And then obviously another accent light or uplight on this tree would be a good idea. And then depending whether you want to put path lights or not, what I would probably do, again, just to keep it a little bit more balanced, I might even look at throwing one path light here, another one here, one there, and one there, just to balance it out. So I think you're looking at, to do what I think would look good, I think you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're probably 10 uplights and 4 path lights, I think would do a really, really good job. But again, it just depends maybe where you can place some of those lights. Or if you're looking at putting some lights up top here and getting down, I don't think you're going to have to. And for simplicity, I would say use the uplights. I think you're going to get a really good effect on it. And when you get it, you might want to play around with them a little bit. So like I talk about in my videos, wire them up, turn them on that first night, and kind of play with the angles a little bit, see what looks best. You might have to move them. Sometimes it's just a matter of moving it 6, 12, maybe 18 inches to get exactly what you're looking for. But I think if you play around and you use those lights, you'll get a really good idea for what you're looking for. If you're looking for a little bit less lights, then I kind of like what you have here is if you highlighted the front of the garage, you had your light here that gets to the top, your light here that gets to the top, the one in the back here, and then obviously the 2 trees. So it just depends on your budget and what you want to do, but I think both would be really good examples. I'll send you kind of a price or quote what I think would look best. And then if you want to scale it back, just let me know. All right, thanks, Jay.
Guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully that gave you some good ideas of how you can effectively light your property and totally transform your outdoor living space. I just want to take a quick minute, remind you guys about our try it before you buy it offer, where you can go on our website, you can buy one of our premium quality uplighting fixtures at a discounted rate. We're going to ship that to you for free. You're going to have 14 days to try it out and really feel the difference with what a premium quality landscape lighting fixture should feel like and what it should look like, because simply by going and taking a 9-volt battery and hooking up the 2 terminals of the light, you can actually go around at night and start lighting up some areas and some features so you can see how they're going to look before you go make any big purchases. If you don't love the light, you send it back to us and you get a full refund. If you do like it, you keep it, you buy whatever other lights you need for your project. Make sure to email us your pictures at cal@lightingdoctor.ca to get your free consultation, where we're going to walk you through what are going to be the best areas to light, just like we did in this last video, but on your property, to give you the best chance of making your outdoor living space that much better this summer. So thanks for watching, and go check out our website for a whole bunch more great resources and tools.